We love sharing good news. So when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. This is one of our favourite reviews. We do our best to listen carefully to everyone's needs, providing the best service possible. It's great to see that our hard work is paying off. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.